Hello Rick, my name is Karishma Shah. This is the video presentation for assignment 4 BDAT 1007, and the objective of this assignment is to perform image classification using Azure Cognitive Services provided by Microsoft. For this experiment, I have selected my topic as bags, and as you can see here, there are various types of bags available for women, for example backpack, clutches, and etc. So based on this category, I have finalized 4 categories for this experiment, where first is briefcase bag, second is envelope clutches, third is tote bags, and fourth is barrel bags. Now let's see custom vision projects. So I'll show you how we can create new project. So for that I have to give here my project name. I have to create a resource group that I've already created, that is image classification. Project type is classification. Classification type we have to select multi-label, and for domain we have to keep it as it is general. And then if I click on create project, it will create my project. And as you can see here, I have already created my project named assignment 4, and my resource group is image classification. Now let's click on this image or the project, and when I click on plus, it will allow me to add tag or label for which I wanted to classify my image. And as you can see here, I have already classified or created my labels, for example tote bag, envelope clutch, briefcase, and barrel bag. And bag is my generalized tag which contain all the other images. So if we see here, initially I took 20 images for each and every category, and then I trained my model. So if I see performance of my first iteration, that is 100% precision, 93.8% recall, and 100% accuracy, and I've selected 20 images in each and every categories, so that makes to 80 in my bags tag. Now let's see how I predicted my images. For example, for first iteration, if I see here, this is the image which is already available in my training data set, and it has predicted correct bag, but it has very less probability. Now next, let's select another case where this is the image which is available in my testing data set. So let me show you the test images. So these are the images which I have not given as an input while I trained my model. So these are the new images. So if I see here, this is the new image. It has correctly predicted barrel bags, but with very less prediction. Similarly, this is also a new image which has correctly predicted to briefcase bag, but with only 46.9% prediction percentage. And similarly, this is the new bag which has predicted correctly with tote bags, which is having good prediction rate. Now what I did for second iteration, I added 4 bags in barrel bag, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've added 1 bag in tote bag, that is this one. Okay, so then I retrained my model. Let's see, the performance has become to 93.9% prediction, 93.9% recall, and 99.3% as an accuracy. And as you can see here, we have 4 more barrel bags and 1 more tote bag. Now let's see what happens to our prediction after tagging our images and retraining the model. So this is the image which I tagged. So now if you see here, it has significantly increased the prediction percentage to 90.4%. and if we see that same image in our previous case, it was just 18.2. So this shows how tagging the image and retraining the model increases our probability rate. Similarly, if we see in this case, it has given a prediction to tote bag with 96%, and before tagging that image it was just showing 79%. Now let's see our next case, that is when I did first iteration, it was showing me 33.9% barrel bag prediction, and after retraining it is showing me 76.4% prediction rate. right? Now let's take the next case where this is my test image with 46.9% prediction rate, and let's see what happens after I'm retraining my data set. So for example, let's select the image, that is briefcase. This is my test image. Again, this is not available in my training data set. So if I click on open, and for this is for iteration 5, and it is giving me 51.8% prediction. So if we see here in iteration 3, it was having 46.9% prediction, and in next iteration it is giving me 51.8%. so this is the case where we are not tagging our image, we are just checking into different iterations. So when we retrain our model, it is also refining the model, and these two are the case where I have tagged my images. Okay, so now let's try to tag this image. For example, I'm tagging that into briefcase bag, which is obvious, and let's save and close, and then let's try to train. Click on train. I'll pause the video until it is being trained. Okay, so our model is trained now. So this is the next iteration, and these are the performance with precision, recall, and accuracy. And as you can see here, we have added one more bag in our briefcase category. So now let's try to predict. For example, quick test, and I'm predicting that same bag that I have added. Let's click on open. So now you can see that it is predicting that newly tagged bag with 86.3% probability. So now let's try to see this case for each and every iteration. So for first time, this is my test image, which was showing only 46.9%. After next iteration, it shows, okay, it is not here. Let me add. For iteration 5, it is showing only 51.8%. And so here in this case, next iteration 51.8, where I have not tagged that image. Now in next iteration I tagged that image, and it shows that it is now 86.3% prediction. So if we move to our observation, we have two observations here. First is, after tagging an image and retraining the model, there is significant increase in the prediction percentage, and as we have also seen with the example as well. And along with that, there is a very small increase in prediction percentage for new image that we have tested for particular tags after retraining the model. So basically, our model is being more refined when we tag the model to that particular label. And if we are not tagging and just using new images to predict, it is having very less increase in the prediction percentage. So these are the two references that I've used. This is the customvision.ai, which allowed me to perform this experiment, and this is the link which I have referred to implement this whole project. And finally, this is how I have experimented this artificial intelligence tool provided by Microsoft, and I have demonstrated various cases regarding model refinement and showing how that probability changes based on tagging the image. And even if I'm not tagging, I'm just using new images, it also changes the probability or prediction rate. And I hope you like this video and my presentation. Thank you so much.